Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. In today's episode, we will be exploring the topic of nighttime nourishment with a special focus on herbal oils and balms for summer repair. Nighttime is a crucial period for skin repair, and this becomes especially important during the summer months where our skin can take quite the beating from sun exposure and outdoor activities. During the summer, our skin is subjected to increased exposure to sun, heat, sweat, and various environmental stressors. These factors can lead to dehydration, sunburn, and a general feeling of our skin being overwhelmed. It's the price we pay for those glorious summer moments outdoors, whether we're basking at the beach or hiking under the sun. However, our skin has a natural repair and regeneration mode that kicks in at night. While we rest, our skin works tirelessly to heal and restore itself from the day's wear and tear. This is why having a nighttime skincare routine is so essential, especially during the summer. Creating a slow, intentional wind-down routine can significantly enhance the skin's natural repair process. Consider adding herbal oils and calming balms into your nightly regimen. Taking the time to nurture your skin not only helps it recover, but also sets the tone for a restful sleep. So embrace those evening rituals, give your skin the love it deserves, and wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. So let's talk about some key herbs that can work wonders for nighttime skin repair. First up, we have calendula. Known for its healing properties, calendula is fantastic for soothing irritated skin and promoting wound healing. It's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, making it a great herb for calming and repairing the skin after a long day in the sun. Next, there's chamomile. A true classic in the world of skincare, chamomile is particularly effective for reducing redness and inflammation. Its calming properties also make it ideal for those nights when your skin just needs a bit of extra tender, loving care. Plus, it smells divine and can help lull you into a peaceful sleep. Lavender is another powerhouse herb. It's well loved for its ability to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. But did you know it's also great for the skin? Lavender has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that help heal minor burns and insect bites, which are quite common during summer. Its soothing scent can relieve stress, making it a perfect addition to your nighttime routine. And let's not forget rose. This luxurious flower isn't just beautiful to look at, it's also incredibly beneficial for the skin. Rose helps to retain moisture, which is crucial after a day exposed to the sun. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce redness and calm the skin. Finally, there's comfrey. Known for its ability to speed up cell regeneration, comfrey can help heal minor cuts and bruises, making it perfect for accelerating the skin's natural repair process. It's also soothing and moisturizing, which helps keep the skin looking healthy and vibrant. These herbs can be easily infused into oils to create soothing, nourishing treatments for your skin. Simply steep the herbs in a carrier oil of your choice like jojoba or almond oil, and let them infuse for several weeks. The resulting infused oil can be applied directly to the skin or used as an ingredient in homemade balms. Balms are an excellent way to lock in moisture and provide a protective barrier, allowing the healing properties of these herbs to work their magic overnight. Experiment with combining these herbs to create a personalized blend that caters to your specific skincare needs. Now let's move on to a delightful DIY project, making your own herbal night oil. This recipe is a wonderful way to incorporate the healing properties of herbs into your nighttime skincare routine, and it's easier than you might think. For this herbal night oil, you'll need a few simple but powerful ingredients: calendula-infused jojoba oil, rose-infused sweet almond oil, lavender essential oil, and frankincense essential oil. First, take 1 ounce of calendula-infused jojoba oil and 1 ounce of rose-infused sweet almond oil. Both of these oils are nourishing and soothing for the skin, perfect for repair and hydration. Mix the two together in a small bottle or a bowl. Next, add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Lavender is not only calming for the mind, but also healing for the skin. Then, add 5 drops of frankincense essential oil. Frankincense is known for its regenerative properties and can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and scars. Once all your ingredients are combined, shake the bottle well or stir the mixture thoroughly if you used a bowl. To use your new herbal night oil, take a few drops into your palms and gently massage it onto your face and neck. As you apply the oil, take deep, slow breaths. This deep breathing helps your mind relax and enhances the calming effects of lavender. Remember, the act of applying the oil can be just as important as the oil itself. Take your time, enjoy the process, and feel the stress of the day melt away. This simple ritual before bed can make a big difference in how your skin looks and feels in the morning. It's a wonderful way to end your day with a moment of self-care and tranquility. Try it out and see how your skin thanks you for it in the morning. Another way to give your skin some TLC overnight is by using a herbal night balm. This nourishing balm works wonders in soothing sun-stressed skin, hydrating dry patches, and supporting overnight repair. Let's talk about the ingredients you'll need to make your own at home. You'll start with calendula-infused olive oil and chamomile-infused jojoba oil. Calendula helps with healing and soothing irritation, while chamomile calms and reduces redness. The next key ingredient is either mango or shea butter, both of which are deeply moisturizing and help to repair the skin's barrier. Beeswax pastilles are also essential, as they give the balm its firm texture and help lock in moisture. For a bit of aromatherapy and extra healing benefits, you'll add rose essential oil and lavender essential oil. Rose essential oil retains moisture and soothes the skin, and lavender has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that help heal and calm. Optionally, you can include vitamin E oil, which can further nourish and protect the skin, enhancing the balm's shelf life. To make the balm, gently melt the beeswax pastilles and mango or shea butter in a double boiler. Once melted, add in your infused oils and stir until combined. Finally, remove from heat and mix in your essential oils and vitamin E. Pour the mixture into a clean container and let it cool and solidify. Apply the balm to your skin before bedtime to wake up with soft, repaired, and hydrated skin. Now that we've gathered all our ingredients, let's walk through the steps to make our herbal night balm. First, gently melt 1 ounce of beeswax pastilles and 2 ounces of either mango or shea butter using a double boiler. It's important to heat these ingredients slowly to avoid burning the delicate oils. Once they are completely melted, remove the mixture from the heat. Next, stir in 3 ounces of calendula-infused olive oil and 2 ounces of chamomile-infused jojoba oil. As you combine these ingredients, you'll notice a wonderfully rich and soothing blend forming. Allow the mixture to cool slightly before adding the essential oils. This prevents the heat from breaking down the delicate properties of the essential oils. Add 20 drops of rose essential oil and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Optionally, you can add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil for extra nourishment and to help preserve the balm. Stir well to ensure all the ingredients are fully incorporated. After mixing, pour the balm into clean, dry containers of your choice. Small glass jars or tins work beautifully for this purpose. Let the balm cool and set completely, which usually takes a few hours. Once solidified, your herbal night balm is ready for use. To store, keep the balm in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency and texture. To use your herbal night balm, simply take a small amount and warm it between your fingers before gently massaging it into your skin. Focus on areas that need extra care, like dry patches or sun-stressed spots. Using the balm before bedtime provides the skin with intensive hydration and helps create a protective barrier, ensuring you wake up with soft, rejuvenated, and glowing skin. All right, now let's talk about how to apply your herbal night balm effectively, ensuring you get the most out of its nourishing benefits. Here's a simple method to follow. First, take a small amount of the balm and warm it between your fingertips. This helps to soften the balm, making it easier to spread and allowing the oils to penetrate more deeply into your skin. Focus on applying the balm to areas that are particularly dry or have been sun-kissed by the day's activities. These spots often need extra care and hydration, and the balm can provide targeted relief. As you massage the balm into your skin, take a moment to breathe deeply. Inhale the soothing scents of lavender and chamomile, and let the calming aromas help you relax into your nighttime routine. This practice not only benefits your skin, but also sets the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Enjoy the process and feel the day's stress melt away as you nurture your skin with this simple yet effective ritual. Creating a nighttime ritual is genuinely one of the most caring acts you can do for yourself. It symbolizes the release of the day's stresses and honors your body's needs as you return to a state of stillness and the wisdom of plants. Our days are often filled with constant activity and stimulation, making it essential to have a moment of peace to unwind. Nighttime rituals don't have to be complicated. Something as simple as taking a few minutes to breathe deeply, listen to calming music, or apply your favorite herbal balm can make a world of difference. Reflecting on the day and acknowledging its challenges and joys allows you to release any built-up tension. By incorporating practices like gentle stretching, you're not only soothing your mind, but also signaling to your body that it's time to rest. And of course, using plant-based products connects us back to nature, grounding and calming us. These small intentional acts nourish both our skin and our spirit, setting the stage for restorative sleep. As you wind down, remember to listen to your body. Honor what it needs, whether it's extra hydration for your skin or just a quiet moment to yourself. Embracing the stillness of the night and the wisdom of plants, you create a space where healing and restoration can naturally occur. So tonight, make a date with yourself to unwind with intention. Your body and mind will thank you. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. This is Carrie Scharf here, reminding you to check the show notes for the link to our newsletter for more recipes and rituals. Also check out the Moments of Light zine for peaceful reading and self-care inspiration. I truly hope you find these nighttime skincare rituals as soothing and beneficial as I do. Wishing you all soft evenings, nourished skin, and peaceful rituals. Until next time, take care and happy relaxing.